what's up? It's your boy Chordnificent, back here with your guitar interpretations. Today we're doing Dear August by PJ Harding and Noah Cyrus. Okay, it's a very interesting song. We're gonna play it with basic chords. Make sure your guitar's in center tuning, and we won't need a capo for this one. Okay, so the chords are as follows. So we have an A minor first, and we're plucking strings 5, 4, 3, 2. Okay, and then you have this. That's 1 to fret number 3 on the 6th string, and then you play open 5th string, which is the bass for A minor. So it's like you go, so open 3 on your string number 6, which is the lower E, and then you go to A minor. Okay, so it goes. All right, that's your intro verse. And then, okay, so you do that how many times? I want to make sure I'm giving you guys the whole sequence and everything. So let's just. Okay, so we have slowly, na 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 na. So that's A to C, and then F. So that's open 2, and then you go to C on your string number 5. And for C, we're plucking 5, 4, 3, 2 again. F, and then back to C. 3, 2, A minor on your string number 5, which is the A, okay? So A minor to C, and then you go to F, and then back to C. That's your verse, okay? So you do that twice because there's the Noah Cyrus part and then the PJ Harding, and then they get into it together where they go all of my into wine in my cup, and then. Okay, so the same chords that we were using in the verse are the same for the chorus. Just don't let me fall. I don't know. Okay, they only change where they go, cause I don't know. So I'm trying to figure that out. Cause I don't. Okay, so cause I don't know. No, that's an F. And the road is upset. Cause I don't know where this road is headed anymore. Back to A minor, okay? So I'm just looking for the passing chords. Okay, so I don't know where this road is headed anymore. I don't know where this road is anymore. So that's C, E minor to A minor, okay? Know where this road is. I don't know where this road is headed anymore. I don't know where this road is headed anymore. So that's F, C, E minor, A minor, okay? And if you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using here, you can check out my chord video. There's a detailed illustration of the chords. You can learn them there and then come back here for your progressions. And right after that, we get into the second verse, which has the exact same chords. And then... Okay, so the chords are the same for the rest of the song. Let me just show you my strumming pattern if I decide to strum this. So, Dear August, na 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 na. So that's. Okay, so I'm just strumming down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, Alright, that is pretty much it for this song, guys. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. And I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.